Hi everyone, this is Callie with craftingcallie.wordpress.com. So here's the second card that I've made this week for a niece and nephew's birthday. And in an earlier post, I did a card using Happy Pandas by My Favorite Things. And this particular stamp set is called Baby Party Animals by Simon Says Stamp. So the two things that I found extremely helpful in making this card is number one, the Misty. It's so helpful for guiding placement of your stamps. So here I'm just figuring out where I want to, layer my stamps and where things should go. Initially, I had set everything off to the right and decided, okay, the flag doesn't sit right, so it has to be on the left side for the bunny to hold the flag just right. So I found the Misty to be extremely helpful for this card. The second thing that was extremely helpful was using Sandy Allnock's hex chart. Um, I'm not being paid by anyone to use these products. I just find them extremely helpful. I am new to coloring, and you'll see me using the hex chart in the back behind the card here. It just is helpful for me to, visually see the colors and choose what I want. So those are the two things that I found extremely helpful that I wanted to, speak of and share with you. As far as this card goes, it's fairly straightforward, and I feel like it doesn't need a whole lot of narration. So for the duration of the card, I'll just play music, and I'll thank you now for watching and stopping by, and I appreciate everyone. I did add a border with just some straight edge lines using a Copic multiliner, which I don't show you in this video, but it is in the photos in the beginning and at the end of the video. So anyway, thanks again for stopping by, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye-bye.